guys, it's your girl Danielle, the owner of the Purple Ladder Company and the creator of Danny Did It. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus airless sprayer. Okay, I'm just opening up for the first time. I just want to show you quickly all of the things that come inside of the box, and let's just get right to it. So I'm just gonna give you a unboxing. This is the first time I'm using this sprayer, but I have watched numerous videos myself on how to use this. So I'm pretty confident that this is gonna go really well. I just wanna give you an unboxing so again I can show you exactly what comes inside the box. And then I'll make a separate video on how to set this sprayer up and get ready for paint. So right out the box, got some registration card and your manual here. This is a quick guide setup, but again I am pretty familiar with this. Just another little paper here. So it looks like the whole system is attached together. So you just pull it straight out of the box. There's literally nothing else left here in the box. So it comes pretty tight, wrapped up. The gun is secured to the hose already. This is our spray gun right here. We've got a beautiful 50-foot hose. I believe it's 40 or 50 foot. Very, very sturdy and solid. So it's gonna really withstand a lot of conditions, so you'll be around different areas using your sprayer. And I'm just going to unhook the strings on the hose because again I am about to get ready to use it. Okay. So here we have the full hose and the gun. This here is called pump armor. This is what you use to clean out and store your sprayer so that it doesn't get clogged. And this is the full Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus True Airless, so you don't need a compressor. This is going to be your input and your output nozzles here. And of course you have your plug. You want to make sure it's plugged into a grounded place. Okay, but that is literally everything that comes inside of the box. On the box, it tells you a listing of everything that's inside, and then also a list of items that you may want to pick up while you're in the store, like some additional nozzles, some additional tips, and maybe an extra long hose if you need it. And that is it. I'm so super excited and ready to use this bad boy, but again, this is just a quick unboxing. I most certainly suggest that you guys get one if you're going to be doing a lot of paint. This sprayer can hold up to probably 50 gallons of spraying in a year. So if you're going to be doing anything less than that, then this Project Painter Plus is the way to go. I thank you guys so much for watching until the end. I'm going to see y'all in my next video where I actually show you guys how to set this up and get ready for paint.